Welcome back to our channel. Today I am at the production line of our factory. Today we have a client visit from Europe who is going to visit for his custom order, that is the power wall. Let me show you around. As you can see here, this is the complete power wall solution that is customizedly designed for our European client. As you can see here, these are the prismatic cells that are being connected with each other, and these are in complete 16 cells 3.2 volt each, and that are connected in series to make a 51.2 volt solution. As you can see here, if my cameraman can show you, see that this is the BMS that is connected with this module, and with the BMS you have the overcurrent protection, the over temperature protection, and all the other kinds of protection that you use. With the power storage wall, you can mount it on your wall, and this can provide you with the best results possible for your energy backup solutions. You have all the communication protocols. As you can see here, these are the positive and the negative terminals of the battery, which have the ADS protocol. We have the RS485 for multiple communications, RS232, and we have the CAN protocol to be interconnected with the inverter, and you can utilize it into your energy storage system.